Xiaomi's mid-cycle flagship refresh is now live, and the new T lineup will be remembered for bringing the co-engineered with Leica camera and finally bridging the gap between the number and T series. They are also the first waterproof Xiaomi T phones. Today, we will be reviewing the Xiaomi 13T Pro model, which upgrades the standard 13T with a faster chip, faster charging, 8K video capturing, and Wi-Fi 7. The Xiaomi T lineup arrives like clockwork weeks before the Chinese premiere of the Xiaomi 14 series. The T devices are not necessarily updates over the regular models, but they do offer a cherry-picked set of features. The Leica-powered rear camera setup should be one of the most interesting bits on the Xiaomi 13T Pro. There is a large 50MP primary with OIS, another, smaller, 50MP camera with a 2x zoom lens, and a 12MP ultra-wide camera with a fixed focus. The main camera on the 13T Pro supports up to 8K 24 video capturing, while the same imager on the 13T maxes out at 4K 60. The Xiaomi 13T comes with Dolby Atmos stereo speakers, a nice complement to the Dolby Vision screen. Finally, the 13T's 5000 mAh battery supports 120W fast wired charging, and according to Xiaomi, a full charge should take only 19 minutes. Xiaomi 13T Pro specs at a glance. Body, 162.2 by 75.7 by 8.5 mm, 200G, glass front, Gorilla Glass 5, glass back or silicone polymer back, plastic frame, IP68 dust/water resistant, up to 1.5 m for 30 minutes. Display, 6.67-inch AMOLED, 68B colors, 144 Hz, Dolby Vision, HDR10+, 1200 nits, HBM, 2600 nits, peak, 1220x2712px resolution.